अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजरीन, टीटीवी न्यूज़ डिजिटल में आपका इस्तकबाल है। मोहम्मद इसाक 31 मई 2025 को पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट से 42 साल तवील और बेदाग खिदमत के बाद बाइज्जत वजीफ़ा हुस्न पर सबकदोश हो गए, जो सब इंस्पेक्टर की हैसियत से खिदमत अंजाम दे रहे थे। मोहम्मद इसाक ने 1983 में पुलिस महकमे में शमूलियत इख्तियार की और अपने करियर के दौरान 12 मुख्तलिफ थानों में खिदमत अंजाम दी। इनकी दियानतदारी, फर्ज शनासी और खुलूस के बायस उन्हें न सिर्फ महकमे पुलिस बल्कि अवामुन्नास में भी कद्र व एहतराम की निगाह से देखा जाता रहा। 19 जनवरी 1995 को टैंक बॉन्ड झील में डूबते हुए एक शख्स की जान बचाई, जिस पर उन्हें हुकूमत आंध्र प्रदेश की जानिब से सेवा पतकम अवार्ड और नकद इनाम से नवाजा गया। 1999 में पंजाब में मुनक्किदा ऑल इंडिया पुलिस ड्यूटी मीट में हिस्सा लिया, जिसका इनेकाद ITBP की जानिब से किया गया। इस मौके पर उन्हें मरकजी हुकूमत की जानिब से वजीर आजम लाइफ सेविंग मेडल से भी नवाजा गया। 1 जनवरी 2017 को तेलंगाना हुकूमत की तरफ से आत्मा सेवा पतकम अवार्ड उस वक्त के वजीर दाखिला मोहम्मद महमूद अली के हाथों पेश किया गया। पूरे करियर के दौरान उन्हें 200 से जायद इनामात और तौसीफी असनाद से नवाजा गया। उन्होंने अपनी सर्विस के दौरान किसी भी किस्म के इल्जामात या महकमाना शिकायत के बगैर फराइज अंजाम दिए।
Good evening, everybody. Today, I'm both honored and privileged to get this opportunity to deliver a speech in front of all the respected officers on the stage and off the stage. My name is Mohammad Imran, son of Sub-Inspector Mohammad Isaaq, who is getting retired today after incredible service of 42 years. He joined in the organization, Police Academy in the year 1883, and since then he was part of various sub-functions during these many years. There are many bravery moments during his career. I would like to specify one thing. While he was on patrolling duty near the tank band, there was a crowd who was shouting for help, where he rushed to the spot and realized that there was a red Maruti car submerging into the Hussain Sagar. Without even hesitating for a moment, he dove into the water, reached the car. Upon reaching, he realized that the doors and the windows were rolled up, doors were locked. He again came back to the shore, took the stones, got back to the car, broke the windshield, and rescued the man. As the saying goes, whoever saves whoever saves one life, it's equivalent to saving the humanity. So that day, he didn't know who the person was. He was not connected with him on any means. But what I realized at that time, it was not only about the duty, but it was also about the humanity and the courage in its purest form. So the list goes on. As we all know, the heroism often comes with price. Because of the polluted water in tank band, he has to suffer with lot of skin diseases and all, and it took almost a month for him to recover. But the great part was, because of his act of extraordinary bravery, he was being rewarded by the Prime Minister Life Seva Patakam. He was being called on the Shimla and he was being rewarded by that. One more thing which I wanted to call out, as we all are thinking that it's only my dad's retirement, but same like every story, there is also an unsung hero in this story, who's my mom, who is also getting retired today. We all are talking only about my dad's dedication and punctuality, but behind the scenes, it was my mom who was working quietly and making it all possible. So thank you, Mom. And thank you, Dad, for all the sacrifices and the hard work that you did for us and got up to this stage. And for all the respected officers who are getting retired today, I wanted to extend my heartfelt congratulations to everybody. And I wish all the best for you. I just wanted to end my speech on this note. Retirement is not the end. It's the beginning of the new journey. So I wish you all good luck and the best wishes for the new phase of your life. Happy retirement, everybody. Imran.